Okay, right now, in front of me, I'm behind the wheels of a Toyota Commuter. This is a brand new unit na na-drive natin for today. And it's nice. Actually, what I like most for new cars na nadadrive ko is yung amoy, no? Yung amoy ng bagong sasakyan. It brings excitement, ano? Ang bango niya, hindi katulad ng mga lumang auto na which is syempre as it goes old, syempre the smell goes old also. And what I like most here is the very spacious ano ba to, driver in front, syempre yung harapan na ano, you have a big space for your passenger which can accommodate two persons, ano. Okay, we have the steering wheel here. All right, and you have your control button dito na it's normal na para sa Toyota. And another button here for the control. It's a mode. I think this is for the auxiliary. I don't know. It's for the screen here. Yun. So we have our RPM, or kilometer reading. It do have also yung ano, yung temperature, no? Digital na siya. Hindi na siya katulad ng mga old school model na analog. Ano? It's meron din siyang odometer reading. Syempre yung fuel. Yan. Meron siya ditong aircon and cup holder, and the buttons and control for the what's this? Side mirror, and for the window on the front. Syempre. And locking system. Okay. We do have also here the ito, yung kanyang head unit, which is yan, nasa radio siya ngayon. Yan, hinaan natin kasi ayokong ma-mute at ma-copyright ni Meta. So we have controls here for the aircon. There's a thermostat at andito yung ating fan control and the aircon modes. Syempre, if you want to change it, syempre, yan. And dahil nga bago siya, sobrang lamig ng aircon niya. Grabe. I've been waiting here and ang lamig. Sobra. Ang lamig. So, we do have a control here ng ating cooler sa rear. Okay. It also has that fan. And yan, hindi ko lang kung nadidinig nyo, pero grabe, ang lakas. Okay. So, it's very suitable for carrying a lot of passenger. And I think it's comfortable sa likod. I don't know, hindi ko pa rin naman nasubukan, pero I bet it's comfortable there. Hindi ko rin nang alam. But still, syempre, I think so. And yun, nasa dashboard na rin niya yung kanyang tag dito, yung cambio. Okay, yung kanyang cambio. So as you can see here, yan, katulad siya ng ano, ng mga Hyundai Accent na manual. So the reverse is on the ano ba to, sa unahan na pasok. So you have the reverse there. It's 6 speed transmission. Okay, so you have first, second, third, fourth, 5 and 6 gear. So ayun, as you can see here, again, the reverse is kung sanay ka sa manual na ano, na sasakyan, it's on the Primera. It's the cornermost na Primera. And it's nice. Okay. So sa mga hindi nagda-drive ng manual, I don't know if it's nice for you, pero ang lakas niya umahon. Galing ako sa basement and malakas yung makina niya. I don't know yet the specs of the engine na meron to, and it's for me to find out. Okay, so you have here the switch for, that's the switch for the ano, it's the switch for the backlight doon sa ating passenger. Okay, yun, lumiwanag na, so makikita natin. Okay. It's spacious. See? So, may family ka na madami. Madami kang anak ha, hindi yung pamilya na sobrang may kabit ka or what. So, this car is ideal for you guys. Amaze lang ako, no? Naman sana ako mabash na mukha ako sano. So, you have here your cup holder, I think so. Okay, and the charging port for a cigarette lighter. And another aircon there. Cup holder. You have your globe box here. And yun. So, para lang makita nyo din na sobrang lamig ng aircon. Yan. Kita nyo naman, nagmo-moist siya. Naghihintay lang tayo ng ating mga passenger. Okay? So, it comes with a seatbelt, syempre. And a seat cover na common na binibigay ni Toyota. So, ayan again. You have to. Malaki yung lights nila dyan. It has the middle option, which is yung sa door. Yan, pag in-off mo or if you want it to lit na pag binuksan yung door. And it has switch here. And syempre yung favorite ng lahat. Yan, meron ditong lalagyan ng salamin. And may ilaw nga pala to. Yan. Ayun. Okay, so you have here your card holder and the eyeglass holder, the sun visor. Sobrang fresh at sobrang bango. Again, natutuwa ako dun sa kasi I do drive a SUV and it's for a family of 7 members. But this one, pag ito yung gamit mo tapos magpupunta kayo somewhere to swim, to have camping, I think, do some recreation with your family. Yeah, this one's good. I have no time to show kung ano yung meron sa likod. But I hope to on the other vlog that pwede natin gawin. Mapapakita ko siya sa inyo. Alright. So it is okay. It is ano dito? Pagitan. Ayan. So I don't know if it has much legroom at the back. Hopefully. So, yun. Okay, yun, tuloy-tuloy lang. Gina-wipe here. So, yun. Ito yung nakita natin and experience natin sa front ng Toyota Commuter. It's a variant of Hiace. I don't know. I'm just happy na nakasakay ako dito. So again, another car review from Papa Pat. And hopefully we have time to review another car, and a much more better place and a much more better angle para makita natin at magamit natin yung car for experiencing it. Okay? Kita-kitit. Oh, sorry. Yun. So, alright. This has been Papa Pat once again for another car review. Bye!